And I'll be homeless for a while. I know it's unbelievable, 'cause I had home a few days ago. It me hell for me and my boys by the bed. No feeling of nothing to I me, oh Lord, and to tell you
Kojo! Kojo!
Yes, ma.
So you have been sitting here and I have been calling you. You don't mind me, eh?
Sorry, ma. Good morning, ma.
Who is your mom? Who is your mom? Huh? Don't call me ma again. I'm not your mother. What are you sitting here doing?
Nothing, ma. I was just singing.
You wake up and all you do is to sing. Listen to me before I kill you with my bare hands. Go to the stream and go and fetch me water. Or else you are not going to smell the aroma of my food today. Talk less of eating my food. Hurry up and go and fetch me water.
Okay, ma. Please, I will fetch the water. If I cannot get my food, I need to take my medicine. Please.
Hey, you and your useless mother must be mad wherever she is. I should give you food and drugs. There is no need I give you food or drug, because eventually you are going to die. Your death is near. Why should I waste my time on such a person like you? Foolish boy. Go to the stream and fetch me water. That is what I need now.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Foolish boy.
Kojo walks the dusty road with a hopeful heart and a heavy load. Though his eyes cannot see the morning light, he keeps moving on through the darkest night. People laugh and people stare, but he answers pain with a humble prayer. Every tear that falls to the ground one day returns as a blessing found. The river knows where it must go, even when the traveler does not know. The sky remembers every cry, and the truth will never hide. Blind faith, blind faith. The eyes may close, but destiny waits. Blind faith. Love will find the heart it creates. Oh, blind faith. No darkness can silence grace. Blind faith. father prayed. The road was long, but the promise stayed. Storms may come, years may pass, yet the hand of fate will lead you home at last. Who can stop tomorrow? Nobody. Who can bury destiny? Who can stop true love? Nobody. Who decides our path? Who can stop tomorrow? Nobody. Who can bury destiny? Who can stop true love? Nobody. Who decides our path? Blind faith, blind faith. Blind faith, blind faith. The eyes may close, but destiny waits. Blind faith. Love will find the heart it creates. Blind faith. Sing it loud, sing it loud. Blind faith, blind faith. The road is hard, but faith remains.
Agis!
Blind faith. After the sorrow comes.
1 hour. Give me papa.
My husband. Hey. You are back.
Yes.
Let me serve you your food.
As if you know what is wrong with me. I'm starving.
There you go.
Oh, no. You really know how to take care of me. I'm blessed. Good food, good wife. What else do I need?
If I don't take care of you, who will?
I really enjoy every bit of what you do for me. But where is Kojo?
Kojo, why are you carrying the water again?
Hello.
Just give it to
Who
me.
else will do it?
Give it to me.
Don't worry.
No.
Don't worry. Let's go.
I can't let you do that. This your mother is very wicked.
Thank you very much, Elorm.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
But why won't you come to my house for me to escort you the following day if you know you're going to fetch water?
Don't worry. I'm used to this.
I don't know where that useless blind son of yours is. Please stop asking me about him.
Oh, why the sudden change? You promised to be nice with him since he is visually impaired. It wasn't like this before.
Why does he need me? Can't he fend for himself? There are lots of blind people out there taking care of themselves and their family. All what he does is to stay here and lazy around.
The boy is a musician. With time, he will make it.
What kind of stupid musician is that? What kind of stupid music is that? Please, don't let me feel responsible for Kojo. In actual fact, I am not. He's your son. Please excuse me.
Kojo walks the dusty road with a hopeful heart and a heavy load. Though his eyes cannot see the morning light, he keeps moving on.
Good day, my daughter.
Father, good day.
You went to the stream?
No, Father, I was just trying.
Who sent you to the stream?
Papa, he's lying. Oh. On my way from the stream, I saw him carrying the water and I decided to help him.
Who sent you? Answer me. Who?
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please watch out for the next episode as we keep bringing you more exclusive and heartwarming stories on Media 5M.
That line is to yourself. If you not